everybody. I look so effing bloated today on the day that I decide to vlog. Anyways, it has been almost 2 weeks since I moved in and almost 2 weeks since I vlogged. So I haven't been vlogging because I just wanted to focus on settling in and getting myself comfortable in this new space. I also didn't really feel like vlogging because my room looks like this. This is the situation of my desk. So I feel like the environment just affects my mood. Hopefully this will help my bloating go away because I'm seriously bloated. I think it's because I went to the gym yesterday and my entire body is just freaking sore. Anyways, I am vlogging today because today is my husband's birthday and I thought it would be nice to vlog. So I was supposed to bake him a birthday cake. It was requested by him, but my stand mixer has yet to come and I literally don't have any mixer here. So yeah, I ordered it yesterday on Amazon and it should arrive today, but I'm not sure what time, so maybe the cake will have to wait for tomorrow. So we're not going out because we're both working from home today. It's gonna stay at home until we finish work. But yeah, today is his birthday, so happy birthday! Set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, counting down.
불안미 짙은 밤 내 기억 짙어져 선명히 떠오르네 구름이 지운 달 난 날 올려보다 너 하나 떠오르네 나란 이것도 놀이
finally in the oven. Now we have to wait for 30 minutes. I am so happy with how they turned out. So I'm just gonna leave these here to cool. I'm going to have breakfast and then I'll come back and make the frosting. Happy birthday to you.